In a move that has surprised many defense analysts, Israel has sought the assistance of 5,000 Filipino soldiers. This unexpected collaboration highlights Israel's commitment to strengthening its defense capabilities. The Israeli Defense Forces have long been recognized for their military prowess. However, recent conflicts have highlighted the need for specialized expertise. This is where the Philippines comes in. The Philippines might not be the first country that springs to mind when thinking of military powerhouses. But the Southeast Asian nation possesses a unique set of skills honed through decades of experience. The armed forces of the Philippines have been engaged in continuous counterinsurgency operations, disaster relief efforts, and international peacekeeping missions. These diverse experiences have shaped the AFP into a highly adaptable and resilient force. Israel's decision to seek training from the Philippines underscores the global nature of modern warfare. No single nation holds a monopoly on military expertise. Collaboration and knowledge sharing are essential for navigating the complex security challenges of the 21st century. This partnership represents a recognition of the value of shared learning and the importance of forging strong alliances in an increasingly interconnected world. The Israeli Defense Forces, known for their advanced technology and strategic acumen, have always been at the forefront of military innovation. Yet, the dynamic nature of modern conflicts requires a continuous evolution of tactics and strategies. By integrating the unique experiences and skills of the Filipino soldiers, Israel aims to enhance its operational versatility and readiness. The Filipino soldiers bring with them a wealth of knowledge in jungle warfare, urban combat, and disaster response. Their ability to adapt to various environments and situations makes them invaluable partners in joint training exercises. This collaboration is not just about sharing techniques, but also about building mutual respect and understanding between the two nations' armed forces. The Philippines has a long history of dealing with internal and external threats, from insurgencies to natural disasters. This has equipped their military with a unique set of skills that are highly relevant in today's unpredictable global landscape. Their expertise in counterinsurgency and disaster relief operations is particularly noteworthy. The strategic importance of the Philippines in the Asia-Pacific region cannot be overstated. Its geographical location makes it a crucial player in maintaining regional stability and security. By partnering with the Philippines, Israel is not only enhancing its own military capabilities, but also contributing to broader regional security efforts. The joint training exercises between Israeli and Filipino soldiers are designed to be comprehensive and rigorous. They cover a wide range of scenarios, from conventional warfare to humanitarian missions. This holistic approach ensures that both forces are well prepared to face any challenge that may arise. The collaboration also serves as a platform for cultural exchange and mutual learning. Soldiers from both nations have the opportunity to learn about each other's traditions, values, and ways of life. This cultural exchange fosters camaraderie and strengthens the bonds between the two military forces. The adaptability and resilience of the Filipino soldiers are qualities that the Israeli Defense Forces highly value. These attributes are crucial in modern warfare, where the ability to quickly adapt to changing circumstances can make the difference between success and failure. The partnership between Israel and the Philippines is a testament to the power of international cooperation. It highlights the importance of learning from each other and working together to address common security challenges. In an increasingly interconnected world, such collaborations are essential for maintaining peace and stability. As the world faces new and evolving threats, the need for innovative and collaborative approaches to security becomes ever more critical. The Israel-Philippines partnership is a shining example of how nations can come together to enhance their collective security and build a safer future for all. This collaboration is not just about military training, it is about building a foundation of trust and mutual respect. It is about recognizing that no single nation can tackle the complex security challenges of the modern world alone. By working together, Israel and the Philippines are setting a precedent for other nations to follow. In conclusion, the partnership between Israel and the Philippines represents a forward-thinking approach to military collaboration. It underscores the importance of shared learning, mutual respect, and international cooperation in addressing the security challenges of the 21st century. This alliance is a powerful reminder that together, we are stronger and more resilient. For decades, the Armed Forces of the Philippines, or AFP, have been engaged in a relentless fight against the New People's Army, a communist insurgency group that has been active since the late 1960s. This conflict has not only tested the resilience of the Filipino military, but has also shaped its strategies and tactics in profound ways. This prolonged conflict has forged within the Filipino military a deep understanding of unconventional warfare. The soldiers have had to adapt to a variety of challenging environments, from dense jungles to mountainous terrains, making them versatile and highly skilled in guerrilla warfare. Filipino soldiers have become adept at operating in challenging terrain, gathering intelligence from local populations, and countering guerrilla tactics. Their ability to navigate dense vegetation and conduct effective reconnaissance missions has been crucial in their ongoing efforts to combat insurgency. This expertise is directly relevant to Israel's own security concerns. The Israeli Defense Forces, or IDF, face similar challenges from militant groups like Hamas and Hezbollah, who employ guerrilla tactics and operate within civilian populations. The IDF has had to develop its own strategies to counter these threats, often involving urban combat training and preparing for missions in conflict zones. The similarities between the challenges faced by the AFP and the IDF make the Filipino experience particularly valuable. Both organizations employ guerrilla tactics, utilize complex tunnel networks, and operate within civilian populations. These tactics are designed to exploit the vulnerabilities of conventional military forces and create a challenging environment for counterinsurgency operations. The AFP's experience encountering the NPA provides invaluable lessons in intelligence gathering, small unit tactics, and winning the hearts and minds of local communities. These skills are essential for any military force engaged in counterinsurgency operations. The Filipino approach to counterinsurgency emphasizes a balance of military force and community engagement. By building strong relationships with local populations, the AFP has been able to gather crucial intelligence and gain the support needed to isolate insurgents. Winning the trust of local populations is seen as crucial to isolating insurgents and denying them support. This approach not only helps in gathering intelligence, but also in creating a more stable and secure environment for civilians. Filipino soldiers are trained to be culturally sensitive, respectful of local customs, and adept at building relationships with civilians. This cultural sensitivity is a key component of their counterinsurgency strategy, helping to foster trust and cooperation with local communities. This nuanced approach to counterinsurgency can offer valuable insights to the IDF as it navigates the complex realities of asymmetric warfare. By learning from the experiences of the AFP, the IDF can enhance its own strategies and improve its effectiveness in dealing with similar threats. The 2017 Battle of Marawi stands as a stark reminder of the evolving nature of warfare. This conflict, which erupted in the southern Philippines, was not just a battle for territory, but a battle for the hearts and minds of the people. The city of Marawi, once a bustling urban center, was transformed into a war zone, with every street and building becoming a potential battleground. This 5-month-long urban battle saw the AFP pitted against ISIS-affiliated militants who had seized control of the southern Philippine city. The militants, well-armed and deeply entrenched, turned Marawi into a fortress, using the urban landscape to their advantage. The AFP, facing an enemy that was both elusive and deadly, had to adapt quickly to the harsh realities of urban warfare. The conflict presented a brutal test of the AFP's capabilities, pushing their urban warfare skills to the limit. The soldiers had to navigate through narrow alleyways, clear buildings room by room, and deal with the constant threat of ambushes and improvised explosive devices. The urban environment, with its dense population and complex infrastructure, added layers of difficulty to an already challenging mission. Fighting block by block, the AFP learned to adapt to the unique challenges of urban warfare. They developed new tactics and strategies, often on the fly, to counter the militants' guerrilla tactics. The soldiers' ability to think on their feet and their resilience in the face of adversity were crucial to their eventual success in reclaiming the city. They gained invaluable experience in close-quarters combat, sniper operations, improvised explosive device detection, and minimizing civilian casualties. The lessons learned in Marawi were not just about combat techniques, but also about the importance of protecting civilians and maintaining the moral high ground in a conflict. The lessons learned in the rubble of Marawi hold significant relevance for the IDF. The experience of fighting in a densely populated urban environment, dealing with an enemy that uses the civilian population as a shield, and the need for precision in military operations are all challenges that the IDF faces in its own operations. The IDF has faced its own challenges in urban environments, particularly in Gaza. The densely populated areas, the presence of civilians, and the need to conduct operations with precision and care are all factors that make urban warfare particularly complex and demanding. The densely populated urban terrain presents a complex operational environment where minimizing civilian casualties is paramount. The IDF, like the AFP, must balance the need to neutralize threats with the imperative to protect innocent lives. The AFP's experience in Marawi, with its emphasis on precision strikes, targeted operations, and minimizing collateral damage, can provide the IDF with valuable tactical insights for future urban engagements. The shared experiences of these two military forces highlight the universal challenges of urban warfare and the importance of learning from each other to improve their capabilities and effectiveness in such demanding environments. Filipino soldiers are renowned for their unwavering discipline, resilience, and adaptability. These qualities have been forged through decades of experience responding to natural disasters, combating insurgencies, and operating with limited resources. The Filipino soldiers' ability to remain calm and focused under pressure is a testament to their mental fortitude and training. They are trained to improvise, adapt to changing circumstances, and maintain high morale even in the most challenging conditions. This unwavering spirit is a valuable asset in any military operation, making them highly effective. For the IDF, exposure to the Filipino military culture can foster greater resilience and adaptability within its own ranks. The IDF faces its own unique pressures, from constant security threats to the complexities of operating in a politically charged environment. The Filipino soldiers' ability to maintain high morale and operational effectiveness amidst adversity can serve as an inspiration and a model for the IDF.